Welcome to my channel, Inspired Ideas, and today is Olive Kitchen Wednesday. I hope you guys are having an amazing day. I'm going to be making a dip today, something that's really delicious and I'm sure you'll like. And you've probably either made this before, but I'm going to show you the way I make mine. Alright, stay tuned. So today's positive affirmation card is going to be this one here. It says, I let go of all expectations. And then on the other side it says, I flow freely and lovingly with life. I love myself. I know that only good awaits me at every turn. Being positive, optimistic, knowing that today's a shitty day, but there were a lot of great qualities that helped me be the person that I am today. So tomorrow is definitely going to be super positive, super insightful. Something's going to be there that I need to learn, and that's all that matters. Life is a learning process. So today I'm going to be making guacamole and chips. So this here is 14 tortillas. And this is going to be the way that I cut it. I like to cut it first down the middle, and then, well, 4 times, and then down the middle. I have cilantro, lemon, tomato, purple onion, avocados, and 1 chile jalapeño. Okay, so here, this is what I'm going to be doing. I'm going to be cutting everything up. My cilantro, I just like to grab off the top a nice little bunch. So basically like a handful. And just extra fine chop it. And then I throw it in the bowl. This is going to be my bowl. I like to make sure with the purple onion, I always take the first layer off because you just never really know what's on the skin. And I'll cut it really thin, so each little slice, I actually think that'll probably be enough. And then this is basically super easy, super quick. Now with the avocados, put little lines through, so that way it's easy to scoop out. Be careful when it's going through because it could cut you on the other end. Alright, the bowl here. If you cut it beforehand, it's easier to smush with a fork. You can squeeze it. I like to have bite sizes of jalapenos. Okay, so everything's chopped now. We're gonna add the lemon. I'm only gonna put half. Because this is just for now. And if you want to make it spicier, you can always add a chile serrano, because sometimes chile jalapeños can be sweet, not have that much kick. All right, now onto the chips. I have this fancy tool here that's basically like a strainer. It strains the stuff when you're frying, or if you're cooking pasta. Really, really nice. So I'm just waiting for the oil to heat up, and then I'm going to put a few in to test it, just to make sure that it fries. This is basically for days when you're like super lazy, don't want to go to the store, you want chips, but you're like, I'll just cut up some tortillas. These are corn tortillas. You cut them up, you fry them, they're like the best chips ever. Okay, so the oil's nice and hot now. So what I'm going to do is just put a few in. And you're going to do it until it turns like a golden brown. Okay, so these now are brown. You can pull them out now. You're going to do this to all of them. The first batch is always going to take longer because the oil takes, you know, time to heat up. But once it's like this, you sprinkle a little salt and bam. I'll show you the finished process when I'm done. Alright, so we're at the last of the batch. It's been about 10 minutes. And just make sure that each little tortilla chip gets flipped around. That way both sides get cooked all the way. You could also use a bigger pan to make more chips, so that way it's less time consuming, but I only had a little bit of oil, so I actually just wanted to use a small one so that way I can like stretch it out. Okay, so this is the finished product. You want to sprinkle a little salt. I didn't sprinkle any salt here, so I'll be putting a little there. This is perfect for parties, company who comes over, like, oh, let's make a quick little something. Making your own chips and all that is basically about 10 minutes. If you have a bigger pan, you can get it all done within probably 6 minutes. The guacamole, you know. Guacamole. Guacamole. So there you go. You want to have a little appetizer just for you or some of your company? There you go. All right. Hope you're having a wonderful day. Well, I hope you're having an amazing day, and hopefully you enjoy this dish. You can share this with your family or friends. This is something that is super delicious. It's definitely a little spicy, which is great. Not too much where you're like, oh my god, I need a cup of, well, I don't know. I love chile, so a lot of people say if Olivia says it's spicy, it's gonna burn your ass off. And for me, it's on the mild, so it's maybe hot for you. So either you want to cut the jalapeno in half and chop it up, put it in, or that's all. Alright, thank you. Have an amazing day. I just want to show you all the chips that I made. This here is 14 tortillas, corn tortillas, and these are the kind they sell in the stores, the Mexican restaurants and all the things. So if you want to make some at your home, this is definitely the way.